Mr. Cat, the father of the family, and Mr. Cat's wife. The first child of the family is Sally. The second child of the family is Nick. Most of all, it's Benny the little kitten. This is Benny's house. See the letter B over there? Let's take a look what Benny is doing. I'm Policeman Benny with my police car here. Oh, how could you do this, you silly clown? Look what you did to the poor bird. You hurt it, now it has to go to hospital. That's not a real bird, that's only a toy. Benny has a monkey that has a zip wire, but uh-oh, it zips down to the door, and Mrs. Cat opens the door, and it's heading straight for her. Benny doesn't know what to do, so he just shuts his eyes because he thinks the monkey's going to hurt Mrs. Cat. Mrs. Cat asks Benny, why is the monkey here? Then he explains to her why, and then she laughs because she thinks it's funny. Then Benny decides to go feed his parrot, Smacker.
My name is Smacker.
Benny gives Smacker his favorite food, coconut.
My favorite fruit is coconut.
If you wonder what that is, it's a picture of flowers. Uh-oh! Smacker flew out of the cage! Sally is practicing singing, and Smacker disturbs her. Go away, you silly parrot! I'm singing here! Benny chases Smacker, but Smacker flies high. It's a good thing that Benny can jump and climb, even though he's small. Nick runs after Smacker. He uses his net to try and catch him. And he got Smacker! Come back here, you silly parrot! No! When they got Smacker, they decided to have a snack. Benny had raspberries.